Alright, welcome back everyone to Monkey Craft. Today's video is a little different, sort of a celebration, because I met my 250 subscriber level to my channel. Woohoo! So, that means I have to give away the first tier prize in my promotion for my channel, which will be 5 spools of Bamboo Labs filament shipped right to you. Well, in order to pick the winner, I've got a random comment picker here, third party. We'll go on the computer now. We'll pick the winner. Alright guys, I got the comment picker open. I'm going to press start and it's going to do the random selection. Here we go guys. Woohoo! Oh, it's David Bregman. All right, David Bregman. You've got 7 days to get back with me. Contact me back, and we'll arrange the delivery of your prize. Congratulations, bud. All right, so we have our winner, Dave Bregman. I'll upload the announcement to the comment section of the promotional video, and he'll have 7 days to contact me to arrange the delivery of his prize. So now if you're watching this video and you're like, wait a minute, I didn't get any of that, well, in the description below there's a link to the promotional video itself. In that video it talks about how to sign up and all the rules for the promotion and everything like that. But it's not too late, because this is only tier 1 we selected today. When we get to the 500 subscriber level, we're going to be giving away 10 spools of Bamboo Lab filament. When we get to 1,000, we're going to be giving away a brand new Centuri carbon printer. So if you already haven't gone to that video, like and subscribe to my channel, then you got to like that video, and you have to leave a comment in that video. Not this video, but the one that's linked below, the promotion video. You do that, then you'll be signed up for the promotion. Okay guys? Good luck with that. Hope you win. Next thing we're going to do, Bern, we got to get the U1 out of the box and get a video on that one. People want to see it. Alright, have a good one today guys. Bye. And congratulations to David Bregman.